old F150 lower unit, but these techniques will apply to any of them. This is about removing this Woodruff key. It's common for folks to leave it in because they find difficulty in getting it out. So what you're after is to hit it at the bottom so it rocks the top out. So it rocked the top out. See there? You see the top came out on it here. That's exactly what we wanted, because this is what that then allows me to do, is take the chisel and knock it right out of there. That's the best way I've found to get that out of there. I'll redo it. So again, some of you may find difficulty in getting this in play as well. See how it's actually a little too high in the space, which is okay. I can walk it back down in there. I can even walk it up. Where it needs to be. Okay? Again, I'm going to hit it at the bottom. My goal is to force the top out. Now the top has rocked out. Take the cold chisel. Knock it out of there. Do not leave this in place. It comes in the water pump kit for a reason. Over time they degrade. Underneath this wear plate, you're looking for wear along this very close edge or any in this circular space here. But that's not why we're here. We're going into here. Never forget to dig up under here. This is the seals for the drive shaft itself. It's a seal and bearing block. I figured this would be a perfect one. You can see it's starting to corrode around the bolt hole here. So I try to spin it before I try to get it up. I was spinning it so I could get my puller underneath it. You can see inside that seal groove is moisture. This top seal has failed. It was working on that second seal space. This bearing is why we want to ensure this seal doesn't fail. If you have problems like this, just replace the seal block. It's not worth it. The degrading of the material there, I would recommend just a whole new block. It would just make the most sense. Anytime you're doing a water pump, always investigate those seals. Again, doing a water pump, never forget to address these seals here. Clearly on this one, it has the seals has failed. On top of that, we have additional corrosion here that is telling us this entire block needs to be replaced. If that was the case, that bearing's not worth extracting. Just get a complete new upper assembly here and you'll be okay.